Each year, there are about 1 million earthquakes around the world, but only about 100 of these cause much damage. Fewer than 20 result in deaths. The worst earthquakes can kill thousands of people. In Italy, 85,000 people died when a dangerous quake hit in 1908.
So that seems like a really dangerous earthquake if it killed 85,000 people. That's horrible. But like they said up here, that about 1 million earthquakes hit around the world each year, but only about 100 of them cause much damage. So, and then fewer than 20 result in death. So that's not really that many dangerous earthquakes, but this one in Italy seems like it was one of the most dangerous ever. Kind of like the one we read about in The Earth Dragon Awakes in San Francisco. Look at all that damage.
Scientists use the Richter scale to measure an earthquake's power. You may not even notice a magnitude 2 quake.
So if we were to have like a magnitude 2 quake here, you might not notice it because it's such a low number. It might just feel like, I don't know, if somebody is walking through your apartment and you can feel the floor move a little bit. It wouldn't be that much of a difference.
You would feel the ground shake in a magnitude 3 quake. A magnitude 7 or higher can destroy a city. The largest recorded earthquake was a 9.5 in Chile in 1960.
Whoa. So if you can feel the ground shake at a 3, imagine a 9.5. I mean, it's saying that 7 or higher can destroy a whole city. So a 9.5 must have been so destructive. How horrible.
The Mercalli scale tells us how much damage an earthquake caused. You would not feel a level 1 quake. Windows break at level 5. Level 12 is the worst. Everything is totally destroyed.
Ugh, I could not imagine. Look at this. Look at this house completely crumbled. That must have been a level 12 or somewhere near that.
The earthquake that shook San Francisco in October 1989 measured 7.1 on the Richter scale. On the Mercalli scale, it measured from 6 to 11 in different parts of the city.
So that was this was a different one. This was a San Francisco earthquake of 1989. This was a little later than the one we read about, but still, if it's measuring damage on the Mercalli scale up to an 11 and 12 is the highest, that's a lot of damage, as you guys can see. All right, we're going to go on to our last and final video. So stay tuned.